Hello friends, welcome to Mechnotech YouTube channel. Friends, in last video we had discussed about the difference between accuracy and precision. Today in this video we are going to see the basic definitions related to measurement, and you can see it is very important. Okay, so we had discussed already accuracy and precision. So next is sensitivity. So what is sensitivity? So you might have heard this word sensitive nature. It means if there is a small change, small variation in quantity, even though we can measure it, that is called the sensitivity of measuring instrument. Okay, small variation in quantity that we can even measure. So it is the ability to measuring the instrument to detect a small variation in a quantity being measured, right? It is called the sensitivity. Second is calibration. What is calibration? Again and again, repetitive use of the instrument, there is a possibility of having error, okay, because of repetitive use. So we have to calibrate the instrument so it can give the accurate reading, okay. So it is the process of checking accuracy of measuring instrument. What is calibration? It is the process of checking the accuracy of measuring instrument. In other words, we can say it is the framing or checking the scale of instrument by using some standard. Okay, we have to check it with the comparison of some standard. It is called the calibration. Then interchangeability. It is very important. Interchangeability. So let me give you one example. Suppose you have a charger, and by using that charger you can charge any mobile like Samsung, Vivo, any mobile you can charge with only one charger. So it is called the interchangeability. Let me give you one more example. Like if there is an engine and different part of the engine manufactured at the different place, cylinder at the different place, piston at the different place, valve at the different place, springs at the different place, okay. And when you assemble that engine, you can pick any cylinder and you can pick any piston of from the manufacturer, even though it can be assembled easily and very accurately. It is called the interchangeability. Okay, let us again see. It is defined as the ability to interchange various part of an assembly at the time of assembling, right? Again I am repeating, it is the defined as the ability to interchange the various part of the assembly at the time of assembly. And nowadays there is a demand of mass production and the manufactured component should be interchangeable, okay. And example that I have already explained to you, right? Next is reproducibility. Now reproducibility and repeatability, it is almost same, but the condition here, repeatability, it is the same condition. We measured the things in the same condition, while in a reproducibility, the method of measurement, operator, instrument, operating condition will be the different, right? So let me tell you about repeatability. It is ability of measuring instrument to give the same value every time. If you measure something, then it will give the same value every time when the measurement of given quantity is repeated under the same condition. If you measure something so many times, even though it will give the same reading every time, it is called the repeatability, right? I hope you understand. If you measured the things so many times, even though it will give the same reading every time, it is called the repeatability, okay. Next is magnification. So magnification, it means it is enlarging, okay. If the size of output, okay, if there is an output in the form of image or anything, it of any instrument or apparatus is increased by using some arrangement. what we have to do? We have to do some arrangement that the output of something image will be the enlarge, so that the instrument or apparatus is more readable, we can easily readable. It is called the magnification. This is nothing new, but it's just enlarge the view whatever you are reading, right? Discrimination. So discrimination is the same like in sensitivity. Okay, if you pause the video and read, then discrimination is same like the sensitivity. Okay, react to small change, right? Now what is drift? This is also important. Drift or stability, in other words we can say it stability. So stability is the capability of an instrument to maintain its calibration. What? Maintain the calibration over a period of time. Say 1 year, 2 year, you measured repeatedly, you measure so many times, like in a year, in even though it will give the same reading, we do not have to calibrate it again and again. That is called the stability or drift. I hope you understand, right? Drift. Now list count. What is list count? We will see in detail list count, but let us understand by definition. It is the smallest dimension that can be read on an instrument. Suppose there is a scale. Okay, so what is the smallest dimension of the scale? It is mm, right? And nowadays 1 mm we can say it is the smallest dimension of the scale, but in some scale it is also possible to measure 0.5 mm. Okay, so which one is minimum dimension that can be measured from particular instrument? It is called the list count, right? Next is uncertainty of measurement. Okay, uncertainty of measurement, it means if you measured something, then it is not possible to measure the same whatever we want, right? Suppose we have a shaft diameter 50. Okay, so we cannot manufacture it completely exactly 50 mm. It may be plus or minus 0.5 mm. Say this is called the plus or minus 0.5 mm, right? So it may be a 49.5, it may be a 50.5. Okay, tolerance. So you can consider it within this range. Okay, this is the range of measurement. Okay, so this plus or minus 5, whatever we consider plus or minus 5 above and below 50, it is called the uncertainty of measurement. I hope you understand, right? If you can explain it by this example, right? Instrument always gives slightly different value of measured quantity with the repeated instruments. Uncertainty of the measurement is the part of the result of measurement which state the range of value, okay, within which the true value is estimated to lie. Okay, it is denoted the degree of accuracy with which measurement has been made. So this is about the different definitions regarding the measuring, right? So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then press like button, share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.